Here we have another set of 3 for polynomial functions, and these are related to division. Okay. Now go through the questions, write down your answers, and then move on to see my solution. Okay. You can stop the video in between, think over it, and write down your answers, and then listen to my video. I also suggested some of my friends to copy the question, do it on a notebook, and then listen to the video and write additional comments. Okay, question number 7. Well, we need to complete the following statements with suitable answers, correct? Question 7. For 3x to the power of 5 minus 3x cubed plus 3x, 6x cubed plus 9 divided by 2x cubed plus 1, degree of remainder can be. So listen carefully. It is saying that when you divide this function by that function, in that case degree of remainder can be what? So write down your answers. Okay? Don't forget to write all possible degree of remainders. Correct? Now, here is my solution. Since we are dividing by 2x cubed, the degree of remainder has to be less than 3, right? So the degree of remainder can be 2, 1 or 0. 0 means constant. Do you understand? Degree I'm talking about. The degree of remainder can be 2. It could be a quadratic equation as a remainder. It could be 1. That means, this means it could be, to explain you, okay? So it could be quadratic, right? Degree, you have to write 2, 1 and 0, right? But 2 means quadratic equation as a remainder. 1 means linear, right? And 0 means a constant. You know, 0 itself could be the remainder when it is a factor, correct? Okay. So the degree could be 2, 1 or 0. Many times students write just 2, right? Because, well, 1 less than 3, right? So that is not a complete answer. You lose half the marks. Question 8. For this divided by that, degree of quotient is, not the remainder this time, right? You're dividing this by this, and degree of quotient, right? You understand what we are asking for. We are given this and this, right? We want to find degree of this, correct? Degree of quotient is what? So degree of quotient will be, we'll first try to get rid of the first term, right? So difference of the 2, 6 minus 2, right? So the degree of quotient will be 4. Is it okay? These questions are asked in multiple choice, right? They will just write 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then you have to figure out which one. All these questions will come or can come in multiple choice questions also, right? So I just given a general form, and it gives me a liberty to explain you here. In multiple choice, we try to jump to the answer. Therefore, I'm not putting those options on my sheet. Okay, I hope you understand this. That is the difference of the 2, right? That is it. If dividend is 5 times the divisor, then the remainder is. So what is dividend? What is divisor? Dividend is something which is coming inside and being divided by divisor. So here we are. Sometimes students get confused between these two terms. So here we have dividend. And here is our divisor. So it says if dividend is 5 times the divisor, if this is 5 times this, then my answer should be 5, right? With a remainder of 0, correct? Then I should get 5 here. And whatever I do, I get 0 here, correct? So therefore, if dividend is 5 times the divisor, then the remainder is, of course, 0, right? So the remainder is 0. Do you get it? That's how it should be, okay? I hope you understand these simple questions in dividing polynomials. Thank you.